Mastering data warehousing. Data extraction methods like ETL, CDC, and APIs will hijack your data sources. Which data extraction methods will be utilized to retrieve data from the various sources, such as employing extract, transform, and load (ETL) processes, implementing change data capture (CDC) techniques, or leveraging application programming interfaces (APIs) to populate the data warehouse. To retrieve data from various sources and populate the data warehouse, a combination of data extraction methods will be utilized. The primary methods employed will be extract, transform, and load (ETL) processes, change data capture (CDC) techniques, and leveraging application programming interfaces (APIs). Extract, transform, and load (ETL) processes. ETL processes will be used to extract data from internal and external sources, transform the data to conform to the data warehouse schema, and load the data into the data warehouse. The ETL process will involve the following steps. Extraction: data will be extracted from various sources, such as relational databases, flat files, and cloud storage. The extraction process will be scheduled to run at regular intervals to ensure that the data is up to date. Transformation: the extracted data will be transformed to conform to the data warehouse schema. This will involve data cleaning, data aggregation, and data transformation to ensure that the data is in the correct format for analysis. Loading: the transformed data will be loaded into the data warehouse, where it will be stored in a structured format, making it easily accessible for querying and analysis. Change data capture (CDC) techniques. CDC techniques will be used to capture changes made to data in the source systems in near real time. CDC involves tracking changes made to data and propagating those changes to the data warehouse. This approach ensures that the data warehouse is always up to date and reflects the latest changes made to the data. CDC techniques will be used in conjunction with ETL processes to ensure that the data warehouse is always in sync with the source systems. CDC will be implemented using log-based CDC, which involves tracking changes made to data by analyzing the database logs. Leveraging application programming interfaces, APIs. APIs will be used to extract data from external sources, such as social media platforms, customer feedback websites, and IoT devices. APIs will provide a standardized way of accessing data from these external sources, making it easier to integrate the data into the data warehouse. Additional data extraction methods. In addition to ETL, CDC, and APIs, other data extraction methods will be used to populate the data warehouse. These include file-based data extraction. Flat files will be used to extract data from legacy systems and other sources that do not support ETL or API-based extraction. Message queuing. Message queuing systems, such as Apache Kafka, will be used to extract data from event-driven systems and IoT devices. Web scraping. Web scraping techniques will be used to extract data from websites and online sources that do not provide APIs or other data extraction mechanisms. Data quality and validation. To ensure that the data extracted from various sources is accurate and reliable, data quality and validation checks will be implemented throughout the data extraction process. This will involve checking for data inconsistencies, handling missing or null values, and validating data against predefined rules and constraints. Scheduling and automation. To ensure that the data extraction process is efficient and reliable, scheduling and automation tools will be used to automate the process. This will involve scheduling ETL processes to run at regular intervals, automating data extraction from APIs and other sources, and using workflow management tools to monitor and manage the data extraction process. By leveraging a combination of ETL processes, CDC techniques, and APIs, and additional data extraction methods, the data warehouse will be populated with accurate, reliable, and up-to-date data, making it an essential tool for business decision-making and analytics.